Mr. Rogers, it's Watson here on this beautiful Thursday. The sun finally came out here in the Northeast, and I want to give you a close look around at your new diesel for your stable of diesels. So that high definition camera is going to give you a nice close look, a walk around at this thing. So you've got the front end there, and we'll take a look at those headlights you had questions on. They look to be in perfect shape. This is the beautiful pearl white, so it's not stark white. It's got a nice sheen to it. And I'll have those guys in the detail department put a little extra love on this thing for you. Now, the tires are all going to be replaced. There's like one really good tire, and so we're going to replace them all. The battery tested out a little weak, so we're going to replace that as well. But everything else looked good. I will send you an invoice of the work that we have completed on this vehicle as well. Now the one thing I'm not fixing is it's missing a C, but you can probably order a C. Here's your trunk area, super nice and clean. Notice there's just no wear in it. It's like they never used this vehicle. You've got the storage container here for your stuff. I don't know if you've seen that before. Of course, your fold down seats as well. 12-volt access in the back. Of course, power shut. So as we come around the vehicle, I can't see a single blemish on this car. I don't have superhuman vision, but I can't see anything on it. It's just absolutely going to be a centerpiece of your diesel collection there in Arkansas. All right, so after the camera comes around, we're going to walk through the interior, take a look. Okay, now we're on the driver's side of the vehicle. We'll get a nice close look at the door, inside of the door there, and the camera will come around. You'll see your beautiful wood wheel. You're going to see, of course, that armrest, which I'm getting fixed up tonight. That little spot on the armrest is going to be taken care of because we want to make this almost perfect car as perfect as possible. And I'll open the rear door so you can take a nice close. I don't think anyone ever sat in the back seat of this vehicle. There's just literally nowhere. Now you will notice that they installed some sort of screen system in this thing. That's, you know, I haven't seen any remotes for that, so I'm not sure if that's functional or not. If it is, it's a bonus, but there's no warranty on that. So let's come around the other side. We'll take a close look here. Get a nice close look at the interior of that baby. And of course up front here. Now there's all-weather mats in this thing. There's no fiber mats, but it does have a set of all-weather mats in there for you. Rubberized all-weather mats. Okie dokie. All right, Mr. Rogers, it's a pleasure helping you out with this. That's probably the cleanest diesel I've ever seen in my life. So I'm happy to represent it, and I know you're going to love it. I'm Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine, 207-510-2284.